Welcome back to the Bark Side. Today, we're reviewing the tape.
I heard this footage is raw, Rex. Like unkibbled raw.
Whoa! Did you see that reaction time? That's a Doberman, bro. They have elite stats. Zero hesitation. That second clip, that's intuition. He sensed the vibration before the roof even cracked.
Look at the body mechanics here. Low center of gravity. He's not asking her to move. He's telling her.
The tree branch one. That's 360-degree awareness.
See, this is why we get the good treats, the baby protection unit. Okay, the pool block, that's a Hall of Fame play. He literally became a fence. Humans think they train us, but really, we're just keeping them alive. Do you think cats would do this? Honest question. A cat would push the flower pot on the lady. We're done here. Like and subscribe for more treats.